Today we're going to unboxing a car chip. In front of this rectangular carton is familiar with the chip packaging box. The box of the chip has the brand logo on the surface, and this box has the logo printed with NXP. Next to the chip label information, specific information we will say later. Let's look at the small box icon. Next to the triangle with a hand pattern is the circuit board anti-static label. The side one also has 3 small icons. The pattern of the cup represents fragile items. Take it lightly. Umbrella-shaped pattern refers to cannot be caught by water, afraid of moisture. The arrow refers to the side to swing up. Cut the tape at the seal with the knife and open the carton. The foam board above is used to protect the chip and is a bodyguard. The vacuum electrostatic bag is also one of the bodyguards of the chip, and the chip is hidden inside. The chip is more protective in the tights, so the vacuum is very important. Next, let's talk about the tag information mentioned earlier. First, the brand. NXP below it is the lot encoding date of manufacture, quantity, product model, product code. The MSL, abbreviated for moisture sensitivity level, means moisture sensitivity grade, is to show that this material is less than or equal to 30 degrees C, 60% RH, 168 hours workshop life. The small circle of PB is illustrated as a lead-free device. Compliance with the EU RoHS specification. Comply with the RoHS 3 specification. Cut open the vacuum bag and remove the chip. The chip holds a black anti-static tray with desiccant and 3 points outside the humidity indicator card. The humidity card is blue, indicating that there is no damp, and the humidity card will become pink. If the chip is opened, it can be put in the drying cabinet together with the humidity card and then stored in vacuum. Cut off the black braid band and open the tray cover. The chip is new without scratches. Bright feet, looks very complete. The chip is particularly fragile and the pin is easy to be damaged, especially the QFP pin is too much, so we should pay special attention to it. We use the suction pen to take the chip. Remember to suck it firmly and then pick it up. The size of the chip is 14 mm x 14 mm, and the thickness of the chip is 3 meters. Each chip weighs at 935. 5 mg. Can you call it the actual chute? There is a spacing of 0.65 in between each pin. The screen print on the chip is Freescale's logo. Here, although Freescale was acquired by NXP because the chip is 9S12 series, its predecessor is Freescale, so the brand logo on the carton and the label are NXP, while the logo screen of the chip is still in Freescale. In addition, the model, many friends are curious to say that they bought S9S12, but the chip screen is MC9S12. Whether they buy fake goods, it is not so. This is a normal situation. What is the difference between S9S12 and MC9S12? We will expand to tell you later. The origin of the chip is printed on the back of the circle, which is made in Malaysia. At the same time, from the Seagull Wing, L-type pin can be seen is QFP packaging. If you need this NXP MCU chip, you can contact us, and other models you want to see the chip can be left in the comments section.